Welcome to Pulse with Jam. Today I will be showing you two powerful indicator setup for you to use and scoop the market, go right in and then get some profit and come right out. This indicator setup is a magic combination, one that can make you rich, one that can make you strategically on the advantage side in the crypto and forex market. But you have to know that trading is really not a get rich fast scheme, so you have to trade with caution and good financial management and strategy. So here I will go right into the indicator setup for you guys to see and understand how to use this indicator. This indicator has been tested more than 100 to 500 times, and I can tell you that this indicator can give you more than 85% win in the market following the rules and how to use this indicator. It's very easy to set up and it's very easy to use. So sit back, relax. This is Pulse with Jam, and let's get started for the setup. So I'm going to take out everything on my screen so we can start again. We'll go to the indicator section. As you can see, let me take out this as well, so everything will be, everything will be, I don't want this to block the screen. So let's go into the indicator, and here we'll type in Trendline with breaks, the one by Los Alco. That's the first indicator we'll put in there. Then the second indicator is the one that will give us the direction of the market, the overall direction of the market, if it is bullish or if it is bearish, before we wait for the confirmation from the trend line with breaks. So that indicator is a smooth moving average. So we'll go and set these two indicators up now. So for the trend line with breaks by Los Algo, just need just a little bit tweaking here and there. This 14 for the swing detection look back should be left same. The slope should be 1. Slope calculation method should be ATR, as you can see. The back pin should be ticked like this. Then we'll go to the style. Here we would make this green, and then we'll bold the line. Then we'll go to this one too, we'll bold the line, and trend line with break setup is okay. We'll go to the SMA and we'll set it up like this. We'll change this length to 200 to get the big picture of the market. Then we'll make this bold and we'll change this to yellow. So click on the OK. So the setup is complete. Now, how do this indicator setup works for us? As you can see here, price is trading right below the 200 SMA. All you have to be doing is you have to wait for a break in the support of the trend line like this, and then you place your sell order right beneath. As you can see here, this is going to break through the zone because that is how the indicator works. So let's go back again and find some examples. As you can see, this one here, price is trading below the 200 SMA and it has broken the support trend line, and then you have to place your sell order immediately after consolidation if you are the type that trades using consolidation. But for me, with my experience with using this setup is aggressive. I go really aggressive and I scalp the market. I sit there, put my trade, and I watch it rise in capital. So I'll put my sell trade immediately at the opening of the next candle. So the same thing goes for the buyers. Once price is trading above the 200 SMA and price breaks through the resistant trend line, as you can see like this, all you have to do is the opening of the next candle, you place a buy position and you ride the waves to the top. The same thing goes here, you ride the wave to the top. The same thing goes here, you ride the wave to the top. So once price is trading above the 200, all you have to be taking are buying trades. And if price is trading below the trend line like this, below the 200 SMA, all you should be taking should be selling trades like this. So like you can see, for you to avoid all of this false breakouts, you need to follow these rules like I'm giving to you now. And please don't trade positions that are very close to the 200 SMA or that have broken both the support and the resistance close to the 200 SMA, like you can see like this. Not all the time you will be lucky to get profit from the market. Most times you'll be in a loss. That can be a fake breakout. So this indicator setup have been used a lot of times, and I can guarantee you guys, you can try this indicator to see if it works. You can see it has been working from everything you can see on my chart here. There's a break here. From the very next candle there is an open. You can scoop the market up like that, and the same thing comes to the side too. There is a break here. Right on the second candle, you can scoop the market up like that. So from this point to this point, these are consolidations. So if you're a consolidating trader, you can wait for that to take place before you take your buy position right on this candlestick. But for me, I am an aggressive I am an aggressive trader, so I don't need to wait for that, since I've already tested this strategy a lot of times and I know it works, and so I go right in. As you can see, this one is a sell trade. You are not supposed to go in for such a trade because the break of the support is above the 200 SMA, and the rule of the market is supposed to go break bullish, not to break bearish on this side. So if there is a bearish break on this side, then we should take a sell, but it's taking place over here on the upside, so that is not a good trade. And then this trade is a loss, so once in a while you also get a loss trade, but that's just the sweetness of trading. You can't get everything. This indicator is a wonder. Now what do you do now for you to, so as you can see, this indicator is a wonder. So you guys should like and subscribe if you're getting value from my video. Sit back, relax, and I'll give you a lot of valid video like this, ones that will make you win the market almost at all times, because all of my setups have been back tested a lot of times, so you guys can cook the market and then you can make a lot of profit for yourself. This is Sports with Jam. Nice to have you guys.